This is our fourth lesson, and theme of this lesson is we are going to learn postposition. Let me tell you about the postposition. Postpositions are preposition in English. Prepositions means they are used before the noun. For example, in English you say in room, but in Hindi it become postposition. That means room in. They are used after the noun, after the pronoun, after the adjectives. So that is postposition in Hindi. There are two types of postposition in Hindi: simple postposition and compound postposition. But in this class we are going to cover the uses of simple postposition. Simple postposition are one word postposition. For example, may. May is in. May is in. Then you have say. Say, from, by, since, with, to, and then. There are so many uses of say in Hindi. One word for many things. Say is for from, by as a transport, since as a time, with as an instrument, and then as a comparisons. We will be learning each of these later on. So we did may, say. Then we have per. Per is on, upon, and at. Then we have co. Co is used for to and also with name of days and date, like on Monday, on 2nd of October. We will be using co in Hindi. So we did may, say, per, ko. The next one is tak. Tak is until and up to. The last postposition, the last simple postposition is ka, ki, and ke, which is also known as possessive postposition. Ka, ki, ke is of or apostrophe. That we'll learn more with the details in later on. Now, let's have a uses of this simple postposition. So first one is may. How do we use may? So for example, if we say I am in Varanasi. I am in Varanasi. So in is being used before Varanasi in English. While in Hindi it will be after Varanasi. So this would be I Varanasi in and am. I Varanasi in am. So I is मैं, Varanasi is Varanasi, in is मैं, am is home. So final sentence would be मैं वाराणसी में हूँ. So this would be मैं वाराणसी में हूँ. This is I am in Varanasi. If we say I am in home, so this would be मैं घर में हूँ. So may is used after घर, while in English in home, in is used before the home. So this is the difference between postposition and preposition. Prepositions are used before and postposition are used after the noun. Another example, if we say she is in store or she is in shop. She which is informal for she is in shop. So what order of a sentence in Hindi would be she, shop, in, is. So this would be वो दुकान में है. So final sentence would be वो दुकान में है. So में is used after the dukan. So this was the another example of postposition. Now, so we did may. Let's have say. As I told you that say has so many uses. Let's consider first one as a from. So this describe about from a place or also from a person. So if you say, let me ask you a question. How do you say, where are you from? From where are you? So in Hindi, this would be you, where, from, are. So final sentence would be आप कहाँ से हैं? आप कहाँ से हैं? From where are you? To reply to this question would be I am from Varanasi, which in Hindi would be I Varanasi from am. So it would be मैं वाराणसी से हूँ. So it would be मैं वाराणसी से हूँ. So this is use of from. Now then say is used for transport as a buy for transport. If you say buy car, so this would be गाड़ी से. Every means of transport in Hindi, this will be used as से. So buy car would be गाड़ी से. Bicycle, cycle से. By flight, flight से. So all the means of transport uses say postposition in Hindi. So from, by. Let's do since. Since is used for the time. So time are used with this name of days. Like let's learn all these name of 7 days. Monday is Somwar. Tuesday, Mangalwar. Wednesday is Budhwar. Thursday is Guruwar. Friday is Shukrawar. Saturday is Shaniwar. And Sunday is Raviwar. So for time, since Monday, since Tuesday, since Friday, since last week, all these will take postposition se. Let's have one example. If we say we are in Varanasi since Monday, we are in Varanasi since Monday. In Hindi, this would be we Varanasi in since we are in Varanasi since Monday. So this would be we Varanasi in Monday since are. So in this example in Hindi would be हम लोग वाराणसी में सोमवार से हैं. So every name of days for time, this take postposition se. Now let's move to the next usage of say. Another use of say is with, and that describes the instrument. For example, with pen, with computer, with phone, with fork, with spoon. All these take the postposition se for using instrument. So pen is kalam. So with pen would be kalam se. With computer computer say. With phone, phone say. Every instrument that you use take the postposition say in Hindi. So we did from, by, since, with. Now the last one is comparison, which is than. So bigger than. When you compare something, when you compare adjective, then Hindi will be uses say. That we will learn and understand more in details in the later classes, because we need to understand the oblique. Oblique is a little bit difficult, that I will explain you later on in the next class. So we did may, say. Now let's move to the per. Per is on, upon and at. So if we say she is at home, she is at home, in Hindi would be she home at is. So it would be वो घर पर है, वो घर पर है. Another example would be I am at Ghat. I am at Ghat would be मैं घाट पर हूँ. मैं घाट पर हूँ. Now if we say books are on table, books are on table, so this would be किताबें मेज पर हैं. किताबें मेज पर हैं. So that was the on, upon, at. So we did may, say, per. Then we did ko. We are doing ko. Ko is to, and with every name of days and date take the postposition ko. So for example, if we say to beneath, beneath ko. To the person, person ko. To you, aapko. Now let's understand how it is used with the name of days and date. So if we say on Monday, so this would be somvar ko. On Thursday would be guruvar ko. On Saturday would be shanivar ko. On 2nd of October would be 2 October ko. So with every name of days and date, it takes the postposition ko, as in English on. Now we did may, say, per, ko. Next one is tak. Tak is up to and until. So if we say I am here until Monday, I am here until Monday, so this would be मैं यहाँ, यहाँ is here, मैं यहाँ सोमवार तक हूँ, मैं यहाँ सोमवार तक हूँ. So this is use of until. Let's move to the last postposition, which is ka, ki, ke, which means of or apostrophe. That is more like a possessive form that we'll understand in the next class, or when we will learning the possessive. So this was the theme of our class. In this class we are learning the uses of simple postposition. I hope this is useful for you. Thanks for watching our video. Please do not forget to subscribe it. Thank you so much.